the modern days. Somebody spiked the Kool-Aid, convinced us all to drink. Now we're smoking that purple haze. Funny but no laughter, sorry with no remorse. Locked in a prison of the mind. Fears running rampant, the greedy take advantage. Time for us to set a new course.
Prejudices, hostilities, hatreds, and fears that already existed, and they're just now coming out in the open. This must be faced factually. And that fact is that demands are being made now.
The people of the village all gathered round. At first they thought the man was insane, but little did they know that God spoke to Noah. He told him what to do, and his servant obeyed. Noah built the ark before the rain came, so his family and the creatures were saved. Noah built the ark before the rain came, and great God the Almighty washed the wickedness away. Jack and Jill lost their home on the hill. Now they're living underneath the bridge. They both lost their jobs, couldn't pay the bills. Now Jack's a cold stone junkie and Jill is turning tricks. Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. If Jack doesn't get a fix soon, that boy's gonna be sick. Na 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 na. Great God Almighty in heaven up above, we're praying for the strength to endure. We can't change the past and the future's uncertain. Lord have mercy, we need a cure. Noah built the ark before the rain came, so his family and the creatures were saved. Noah built the ark before the rain came, and great God Almighty washed the wickedness away. Noah built the ark before the rain came, so his family and the creatures were saved. Noah built the ark before the rain came, and great God Almighty washed the wickedness away. Wash the wickedness away. Wash the wickedness away. Wash the wickedness away.
Now we are grappling with basic class issues between the privileged and the underprivileged. And in order to solve this problem, not only will it mean a restructuring of the architecture of American society, but it will cost the nation something. And the backlash is just responding to the fact that now we're saying everybody ought to have a job, and everybody ought to have a guaranteed annual income, and everybody ought to have the right to live in a decent house and anywhere that he wants to live, and everybody ought to have an adequate education. This is the problem, that there are those who are not willing to do this.